Good morning, my friends. Mr. Week has just arrived here in a beautiful town of Newbury. I've never been here, actually. This is in a county of Oxfordshire. There's an Italian car show here today. Some of the cars, actually, they are leaving already. Well, this is quarter, actually, to 12. Let's see how good is this free car show. I do admire this type of people. They organize these free car shows around actually UK. And one thing is for sure, guys, I'm going to show you awesome cars. As I can see some cars, they are leaving. What is that? Alfa Romeo Giulietta? At least I can see only the front of the car. And now this perhaps is 154 or even the 155. What a beautiful town. Let's have a quick look. I think there's a shopping centre just there as we start here with the Alfa Romeo Spider. Such a big fan of this car. Right-hand drive perhaps is more expensive than the left-hand drive, I don't know. Fiat 124 Spider. Why they call them Spider? Because it's a convertible. Oh no, it's because actually it does have a spider inside the car. This type of shows, they are very popular, isn't it? Can you see, guys, the amount of people that is there? A Lancia, oh wow. That is cute, isn't it, guys? Fiat Dino. You kidding? I never came across this car. You kidding me? That it looks so similar to the Ferrari Dino or to the Fiat and Ferrari. Both they made actually the car together, if you want to know. I think this is the Alfa Romeo C4 or maybe the C8. They look so similar, but I think it's the C4. So stunning in convertible. And there's the coupe as well, so that it could be wife and husband. Hey, Alfa Romeo 75, is that right? Actually, they did a limited edition, the Zagato. That is more or less the same like this one. Look at this plastic trim. Goes around actually the car and goes as far as the back window. This is so cool. Fiat 124. This one's got a hard top, and that is not cheap. So we got another Alfa Romeo Spider. Such a big fan of this car. This is so cool. This guy's got this Alfa Romeo, but I reckon his dream car is the Ferrari F40, like his mine too. The Fiat Abarth 500 always put me a smile on my face. They are small cars, but for me they got a big personality. Alfa Romeo Sprint, it looks mint. Actually, this car has got a wide body kit. This car is so stunning. Sprint Veloce. So this car is 1989, and I tell you what, this car is stunning. I love this car. Alfa Romeo Giulia. There's several models. One of them actually, it does almost 200 miles an hour. These cars, they are cool. My favorite color, by the way. So we got here another Alfa Romeo. This is the State, and it comes with 6-cylinder. What a beauty, this car. The GTA 3.2 V6. Fiat Puntos, they are stunning. This is the Abarth, so limited edition. Such a big fan of these cars. You don't see them on the road, actually. Another Fiat 500, beautiful. Is this a Ferrari? No way.
Oh no.
The Alfa Romeo 164, such a big fan of this car. My cousin, he had one in the beginnings of 90s, I think it was 1992 or maybe 93. I can't remember 100%. I know in the beginnings of 90s, and this car gave him a lot of electric problems. And these cars, they do give you a lot of problems. You do need to have deep pockets to keep these cars on the road. But isn't this car so stunning and rare? I haven't seen one for over 2 years now. The first supercar, the Ferrari 430. This is so stunning. Is that the Stradale? Maybe, because normally the Stradale does have the 2 stripes all over the car, but maybe just put the stripes. Maybe it's not the Stradale. Nevertheless, this car is so stunning. Wow, this is the first time I came across this Alfa Romeo Alfetta GTV Turbo Delta. It's got a wide body kit that it doesn't come with the car. I reckon this is a weapon. It's got an off-roll cage, a perplex window. Wow, this is a fast car. Isn't this stunning, guys? Wow, never came across. GTV. Lancia HF Integrale. This is a World Rally replica car, so stunning. It's the Lancia Stratos, but I reckon it's a replica. You never know, but I would say this is a replica. Nevertheless, these cars, they are so stunning. Better value for money because the real one would cost you a lot of money. Would you agree with me, sir? Oh, he's having a sandwich. You kidding me? Is a legend. This is the Ferrari 308 GTS that I'm such a big fan. Well, you can buy the normal or you can buy the daddy. I think this is the daddy. I think you can buy the GTO as well. I just end this video here in Newbury in Oxfordshire, and oh my goodness, it was a small car show, but it was free and it had lots of quality. I have seen cars here that I never seen, like I came across that Alfa Romeo Alfetta GTV. What a car, what a car. Anyway, I'm handing here by the two Ducatis. Both Ducatis, they're a legend. The Ducati 996. Opposite, there's a Lamborghini Huracan, and what a pretty car. And look at this classic Fiat just behind me. Wow, this car is not cheap. So the guy was saying it cost him so many hundred thousands of pounds. I have seen amazing cars here. The show was outstanding, guys, good quality. And what a beautiful town here in Newbury that I never came here, never saw it. Really stunning. Big fan of the 308 GTS. What a stunning car. You can buy the normal model as you can buy the GTO as well. That is not cheap. We got the Stratos here. So stunning, isn't it? You see, I do love this type of shows where it is free. Brings people together. There was thousands of people here. And even it did start to rain. People, they didn't left, they still here. And how amazing. And this car was my favorite car of the show. The Alfa Romeo Alfetta. And what a stunning car. And there's a 430 here that I think is a limited edition, but maybe it's not. Maybe he just put the stripes on the 430 there. I don't know if it's a limited edition. It could be, but it doesn't look to me. Nevertheless, still a beautiful car. So well organized, I have to say. The organizers, they did a phenomenal job. There's rare cars here, and oh my goodness, I'm blown away by the quality, I have to say. Plenty of the Fiat 500s here, just behind me, as you can see, several. This is in red, all limited edition, and these cars, they do look stunning. And I do hope that you did enjoy, because I did. This was incredible. There's several Italian car shows all over the country, and one of the best that I have seen until now. This is my second, actually. Unless you go to a proper Italian day car show like a Brooklands, I would say is the best in the world, where there's thousands of cars and thousands of people, but you have to pay, it's not free. Over 100 cars, but wow, the quality was out there. So it was free, I could come, enjoy, have a wonderful time. This gentleman's still cleaning his car. He just rained less than half an hour ago, and what an awesome cars, limited edition cars, rare cars that I've never seen, and some of them, they do cost a lot of money. Look at that, the number plate just fell off. The 695 Rivale, never came across this one. This is stunning. I can't even remember it was here, maybe just arrived, maybe just arrived. Stunning, beautiful, small cars with a big personality. Guys, if you did enjoy this type of video, please give me a like and subscribe. Help me to reach the 30,000. And as always, Mr. Wick is very grateful. For sure, wherever you live, they will have a similar show. I'm trying to enjoy, see something different, came to a different town, and I'm blown away. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.